Hello friends, welcome back to this Arduino tutorial series. In the previous video, we tried to understand the working of a relay, and we tried to simulate a relay in the Proteus software. Now in this video, we are going to use a relay with our Arduino board, and we will control our light, a room light, or you can say the garden light, with the help of an LDR sensor that is used to measure the intensity of the light. For example, you want to turn off the light, garden light, during the day, and you want to turn on it in the evening. So this is an LDR sensor. The main thing in this LDR sensor is this zigzag line, which is made up of cadmium sulfate. When the light falls on this substrate, it changes its resistance. So it changes its resistance, and we have to measure the change in this resistance. So there are two types of LDR sensor. One is positive and another is the negative. LDR sensor means the light dependent resistor. That means these LDR resistance are changing their resistance upon the incidence of the light. So there are two types of LDR sensor. One is positive, another is the negative. One LDR sensor, one type of LDR sensor is which changes its resistance in the positive direction. That means when the intensity of when the light increases, they increases their resistance, and the other one is when the intensity of the light increases, they decrease their resistance. For today's video, we need an LDR sensor, an Arduino board, a relay, a load, any load, for example lamp, and an AC source. And in this Proteus software, let's first measure the let us first see what kind of sensor is this. Is this is it changing its resistance in positive direction or in the negative direction? So let's open our Arduino IDE and write a code for this. First, you have to declare the pin numbers, variable for the pin numbers. For example, int which the LDR sensor is connected, int LDR equal to A0. Another variable to store the pin number to which the relay is connected, a relay equal to 12, and a variable to read the value from the LDR sensor. So LDR VAL value, and that's it. Now in the setup mode, we have to define this relay pin as our output pin, and you do not need to define this analog pin as your input pin, because by default analog pins of the Arduino board are defined as the input pin, and LDR sensor is an analog type of sensor. So void setup. First we want to see the output of this LDR sensor on our serial monitor or the virtual terminal. So you have to start the serial communication. Serial dot begin 9600, which is the normal baud rate. Now using the pin mode function, you have to define this relay pin as the output pin. So pin mode relay pin as your output pin, and initially you have to turn this you have to set this relay pin in the low state. So for that you have to write digitl digital write relay low state. In the loop section, you have to just first want to read the output of this LDR sensor, and we want to print this output on the serial monitor. So you have to write void loop and start the curly braces. First, read the output of the sensor using the digit analog read function, and store that value in the LDR value VAL value. So you have to write LDR value equal to analog read LDR, and print any value or any message or any information on the serial monitor, you have to write serial dot print. Serial dot print or serial dot print ln, both are the same. Ln will print the information in a separate line. If you are just using the serial dot print, every time all the information will be get printed in the same line. So to break a line, to insert a new line, you have to use serial.println function, and what you want to print on the serial monitor, the value that you have read from the LDR sensor. So that's stored in the LDR value. So just write LDR value and give a delay time. I'm giving a delay time of half a second, 500 milliseconds. Just compile this code and copy the address to upload this program in the Arduino. You can see using these two buttons, we can increase or decrease the intensity of the light falling on this LDR sensor. So for now it's on the full intensity. Just reduce this value to see the output. You can see when we are reducing the intensity of the light, the value or the output of the LDR sensor increasing has been increased. So we have to set the conditions for this LDR sensor. So now we know what kind of LDR sensor is this. The resistance of this LDR sensor is decreasing when we are increasing the intensity of the light. So we have to set the conditions for the intensity of the light. When the intensity of the light is higher than a particular value, you have to choose, or you have to first read the values from time to time, and then you have to set the conditions. I'm setting this condition is for 500 for now, so you can set the conditions using the if statement. So you have to write if LDR value is higher than 500. 500 in my case, you can change this if you want. So now what you have to do, if the value of, or if the resistance of this LDR sensor is higher than 500 ohms, that means if the intensity of the light is not much enough to decrease the resistance below 500 ohms, so you have to change the you have to trigger this relay. So I'm just copying the name of this relay for the ease, or to reduce the errors. So what I have to do, I have to trigger this, or I have to change this state from low to high. So using the digital write function, so I have to write digital write relay comma high. So I have turned I have triggered relay from low to high state to turn on my load or the lamp or anything that you have connected with this relay. In other case, that is in the else case, else means any value lower than the 500 ohms, resistance of this LDR sensor is less than this 500 ohm, then you have to turn off this relay, or you have to turn off the load using the digital write function again. So you have to write in the else statement like this: digital write relay comma low. Now this is the code that we need to turn on and off the load by measuring the intensity of the light. So compile this code, and now you can simulate your circuit in the Proteus software, and now you do not need to copy and paste the address of this program file in the Proteus. Just simulate your circuit and you are done. Now you can see that the intensity of the light is less than or the resistance of this LDR resistor is less than 500, and for now it's 49, and this this relay is in the off state, that means in the open state, and load is in the off state. Well, there's one more thing to consider. Before you simulate your circuit in the Proteus, you choose the hardware for this project. You have to select a 5-volt relay here, and but if you are using this circuit in a software, then you have to double click on this AC source, and you have to set the magnitude to 312, amplitude to 312, which is the peak value of an AC signal, and the RMS value is 220 volt. And this you have to double click on this relay also to change this relay from 12 volt to 5 volt. Now I'm reducing the intensity of the light or increasing the resistance by using this minus button here. Here you can see that resistance of this LDR sensor is. Now when the resistance of this LDR sensor is higher than 500, and in our case for now it's 683, our relay is in the on state, that is our relay is triggered on, and our lamp is in the on state for now. So you can increase and decrease the resistance to verify these results. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.